How to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel Disney Plus subscription easily. Well, in order to cancel the Disney Plus subscription, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, and unfortunately I won't be able to show you because the app itself is not accessible in my region, but I'll just be guiding you thanks to Tom's guide here. So you want to log into your account right first, and then now please note here, as you can read, you cannot cancel your Disney Plus account using a Disney Plus app on any smart TV or if your Disney Plus subscription is included through a third-party provider. So you want to log into your account via your desktop or mobile browser. So you want to head into browser, remember that, and there you want to click on your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile, that you'll find profile icon there at the top right corner, and then what you want to do is you want to select the account option or the account tab. Simply click on the account tab, and once you do so, you want to find your Disney Plus subscription there. As you can see, your Disney Plus page will look like this, and you can see below subscription you'll find your subscription there. You want to tap on it, and under it you'll find the option that says cancel subscription like this here, and then you can go ahead and cancel it. So this is how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.